Today I have sent a signal to buy the Bitcoin at this price of 39,753. However, it was really a good signal. It has reversed exactly from the given price, and it went actually until 40,128 before reverse back below the entry, and right now it's on the break even. However, what I want to say, guys, is the views on this signal, it's actually the lowest in the channel history. I'm not complaining at all. I'm just asking you here, guys, if you are not interested in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency signals, let me know please in the comments, so I will actually avoid this series. And if so, please let me know in the comments what pair you like to see the signals about. I mean, I thought Bitcoin is gonna be a big hit on, for the channel. I thought a lot of the viewers right now are actually interested in cryptocurrency signals, but I think this confirms the opposite. So let me know please, guys, what do you think, and what pair or asset would you like to see on the channel as a deal of the day next time. So I think we will have to abandon Bitcoin signals as actually the views are way too low and it's just not acceptable to the channel. It's just really embarrassing number and I don't really want to keep it. Anyway, let's now review our signals and let's now start the Friday analysis video. But before that, I would like to bring your attention that our VIP group this week has done really amazingly well. As you can see, today was 100% in profit. Total was 150 pips of profit to our clients in the VIP group. That was amazing. And I believe that we are finally back on the track, and finally we are actually doing well, just like the years before. I think 2023 was not our best year. However, 2020 and 2021 and 2022 were actually much better years for us, and now I think we are back to the old days, and we are having right now a great and fantastic results. As you can see, thankfully we are not having Angela anymore with us, and now it's Tudor who is sending these signals, and I believe Tudor is really doing amazing job. His analysis is just really outstanding, and it's really confirms Xtreme Trader style. So of course, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below of this video. And now let's begin our Friday analysis with the Euro USD. So what happened here? There's two take profits levels. Wait, that's not correct. All right. So this was, of course, my signal of the midweek analysis. And as we can see so far, it's really a perfect signal. The market has reversed exactly from the given price, and so far running in about 45 pips of profit. Now, what's next with this pair? Well, actually, we're going to apply the magic of trend lines. And by the way, guys, that brings me back to something here. The video of the magic of trend lines, this one right here, of course, has actually done amazing views number. I'm not sure what's the problem here, guys. I mean, please let me know, guys, what do you want to see on this channel to help it grow more? I trust you guys as my audience, and I trust you as this is your channel, not mine. This channel, guys, is only yours. I'm trying here to help everybody as much as possible. So, I mean, if I put too much effort on a video and I see very few number of views, then I have to find what's the problem. And to be honest, I'm not sure what is it. So please, guys, help me here in the comments to find out what's the problem. Is the content not getting your interest, or it's not really entertaining? I'm sure it's not entertaining, that's for sure. But I mean, it's educational video. I cannot make jokes and put naked girls or you name it. I mean, I cannot do that on my channel, you know. I cannot put that entertaining contents as other YouTubers do. Anyway, let me now draw here a support trend line. Let's now see what we can do next with the EURUSD. To find the answer, we have to rely on the magic of trend lines. So what I will do right now is simply, you know something, first of all, before that, let me just now go to the bigger time frame to confirm the next direction. Let me first delete the old signal, and let's now see on the daily chart what could be the next signal, because right now we are analyzing for a Friday only. So right now, after moving like this, or actually after the final structure or the final price action, what can we expect next from the EURUSD? Well, the answer is really simple. We're actually going to continue shorting this pair. Right now we can see that the market actually has formed right here a real level of a support, followed later with a fake breakout, and however, the market has already reversed right on that level. However, after reversing, it actually has created here multiple attempts of wicks at the top of the candles. And right now, the candle of Thursday seems like it's gonna close as a bearish one. Remember, this candle will expire within just almost 4 hours. So most likely it's going to be a bearish one. Also, if we check the 4-hour time frame, we can notice here that we're having head and shoulders pattern, which means the Euro USD most likely is going to continue the fall. So therefore, we have to find the next level to start shorting this pair very fast. As we can see, the market is already rising. So again, now we will use the magic of trend lines to find the next level where we can start shorting this pair. The answer, of course, by simply draw the support trend line from this lower low to this higher low, and now simply drag the very same line that you have drawn here and just simply place it right here at the next level of a support, support and a resistance trend line. Exactly. Now we are having this level of a previous support trend line, and here resistance trend line, support trend line, and right here support trend line number 2 and 3, and finally a fake breakout. So now most likely right now we are having here the real breakout, because based on the daily chart it actually seems bearish one. So therefore I would highly recommend to sell the Euro USD exactly right here right now. Let me just look at the left side to confirm the resistance. Exactly right here, there is a resistance, exactly just like that. We have to sell the Euro USD after it rises to another 23 pips. Of course, we will be selling the pair exactly right here at the previous level of a support, which is the nearest one to that bearish breakout candle. So selling the Euro USD right here, most likely it will continue the fall toward this level of a previous support as well at 1.07837, targeting at least 81 pips profit from this signal, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the real level of a resistance at 1.09070, ranging for about 41 pips. Moving on to the pound USD. Okay, now for the pound USD, my friends, is going to remain the same. As we can see right now, the pair first of all has finally confirmed a head and shoulders pattern as well, and also it's running so far in profit. Of course, this was my signal for the midweek analysis, and as we can see so far it's running in about 35 pips of profit. Now maybe we have to adjust our entry for a little bit. Let me just confirm here on the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame. Lot of tails, guys, lots of tails, which actually can confuse the traders. But however, we are still having, thankfully, the magic of trend lines where we can confirm our entry. So what I will do is simply draw a resistance trend line from this lower high to this higher low, just like that. What I will do next is simply drag the very same line that I have drawn here and simply place it right there, exactly at the next level of a support trend line. So we're having here support trend line number 1. Actually here, this is number 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Now basically what we are going to do is simply waiting for the pound USD to rise again and reach the same level of that level of a previous support trend line to create a new resistance trend line. And also by looking at the left side, we do have right there, of course, a previous level of a key resistance, exactly just like that. So meaning we have to wait for this pair to rise to another almost 16 pips before we can start selling it. I'm going to increase it just to have a safest entry. Yes, that's better. So let me just now edit this signal. And there goes your signal for the pound USD. The safe zone has been changed to be 38 pips only against 63 pips of profit. Let's now move to the AUD USD. We have to move faster right now, guys. Let me just tell you guys that the AUD USD has also been activated already, and so far running in about 10 pips of profit, and total was 22 pips of profit. Actually, AUD USD, my friends, is going to remain just the same. There is nothing to be changed about this signal. The same analysis from the midweek analysis is also gonna just remain the same. Let's now move to the USD CAD. Alright, so now for the USD CAD, as you can see, I think it has been activated or not. It hasn't. As we can see, the pair has reversed just like 7 pips far away from the entry. However, the direction was correct and the market has went in about 100 pips of profit. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if we can claim this signal. Anyway, now what's next with the AUD USD? With the USD CAD. Now, by simply looking here at the daily chart, I still believe that the pair is actually still moving in a bullish movement. And right now, we can notice actually that the pair is going toward this level of a previous support right here at 1.34474, and most likely it will actually continue the fall till it reaches the same level of that support zone, because this level of a support has already been respected in the past. So meaning we already have right here support number 1, And if the market is going to continue the fall, it will reach support number 2, where it's gonna actually continue the rise toward this level of a previous resistance. So again, remember, this is daily candles, so we are actually talking about only one candle next, or then one more candle. So this daily candle still has about 4 hours for the closure. We have to wait for this pair to fall to another 30 or actually 40 pips before we can proceed to buy it. So moving now to the daily chart, sorry, to the 4-hour time frame to find our entry, I would highly recommend to buy the pair exactly right here at this level of a previous real level of a support, which actually has faced 2 fake breakouts in the middle, and right here, of course, the real level of a supports. So waiting for the USD CAD to fall to another 32 pips is going to be our entry point. However, the take profit level is not going to be much. It will be right here only till the nearest level of a resistance, expecting at least 85 pips profit from this signal, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the support at 1.34089, ranging for about 46 pips only. Moving now to the USD CHF. Alright, so now USD CHF, my friends, as you can see, has been ranging inside of the safe zone for a long time before finally now becomes in profit. Now what's next with this pair? I'm just going to add a minor changes to this signal, and I'm going to lower my entry to be right here at the lowest level of a real support, which is the nearest one to that bullish breakout candle, and that was of course in the past a real level of a resistance as well. So I believe this pair is still bullish, and if we use the magic of trend lines right now, what I'm going to do is simply draw here a resistance trend line just like that. Now I'm going to drag it all the way right here, and look at the mouse cursor, look at the mouse cursor, exactly just like that. Fantastic. Now we can see that we had right here the next level of a support trend line, which actually has faked breakout right here. So therefore, if the market will continue the fall, it will actually be respecting the previous level of support trend line, and afterwards it will continue the rise. That's actually a good signal that I'm planning to enter myself. So that's gonna be our new entry for the USD CHF. The take profit level can be changed to be just right here till the peak of the resistance exactly. So therefore, our take profit level will be only 80 pips against 41 pips of safe zone. Let me now just edit the signal for you to be just like that, 0.860, sorry, wait a minute, I make a mistake here, 86491, exactly just like that, and the take profit level has been changed to be 0.87280. All right, let's now move to the USD JPY. I don't know why they are mixed actually. USD JPY is supposed to be here, and then USD CHF. I need to edit that. All right. Okay, guys. So USD JPY was just another fantastic signal, and for that, I hope you can now hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. So USD JPY was another fantastic and perfect signal. Right now it's running in about 63 pips of profit. Now what's next with this pair? Well, of course we cannot use the same entry, but however we will gonna keep the same take profit level. So meaning the USD JPY still has about 60 pips more to go. So meaning, where exactly can we continue buying this pair again? By moving now to the 1 hour time frame, as we can see, we have now to separate the real level of a support from the fake breakouts. Now, as we can see, right there exactly just like that. Yes, fantastic. 147.444 has actually been a real level of a support and a real level of a resistance, a real level of a resistance as well. However, we had 1, 2, 3 fake breakouts. Also, this pattern shows here a triple bottom, which also a good sign for a bullish reversal. So therefore, I would highly recommend to buy the USD JPY exactly from that level of a previous support, exactly just like this, and the safe zone to be changed, and the price to be changed as well to be at 147.444, just like that, keeping of course the same take profit level, just like this as well. Take profit level will be approximately 86 pips against, actually the safe zone has got to be changed also, we don't need more than that, exactly. Because we are mainly relying, you know something, I just saw it right now. Oh, yeah, we are having here inverted head and shoulders. Fantastic. I just saw it right now. So therefore, our safe zone shouldn't actually be lower than the edge of that support level, which actually represents, of course, the shoulders. So therefore, our safe zone is going to be ranging only for 42 pips against 87 pips of profit. So let's now move finally, of course, to the gold. Alright, so unfortunately, guys, gold was not so promising. It was not really the best signal, and as you can see, it's still ranging in loss against our direction. Now, what's next with the gold? Well, unfortunately, I would actually now tell you that we have to change our perspective on this market to sell the gold. Now, for Friday, by moving now to the 1 hour time frame, even to the 30-minute time frame. Now let's continue analyzing this pair based on the 30-minute time frame alone, because we are going to analyze it only for 1 day. We don't need more than that. Now, what we're having right here on the gold is actually interesting, because right here we're having, of course, a broken level of a support trend line, as you can see, just like that. So right now we are having this level, just to be accurate, because I don't like to make mistakes. Exactly. So right now we are having here this level of a support trend line, which actually has just been broken out from, and the market, or actually the gold, has already created here a new resistance trend line. What does it mean? It means that the gold right now is actually reversing upon the pressure from the support right here, exactly at 2013.52, which means the gold most likely is going to continue the rise till it creates the second attempt of the resistance, and afterwards is going to continue the fall. So for that reason, I would actually recommend you guys to sell the gold at a certain point. However, if we want to find the best level, we have to rely on the support trend line. Now let me just tell you something. I'm going to use the same line that I have just drawn here right in front of you. That's to confirm the power of my strategy about the magic of trend lines. And I'm going to just drag the line all the way right here till it reaches this level of a previous support trend line and resistance trend line. Check this out. So right here we're having a previous level of a support trend line, which was in the past a resistance trend line, and check this out, a resistance trend line and another resistance trend line. So that means that the gold most likely is going to continue the rise till it reaches the same level of that resistance trend line, and from there I would recommend actually to sell this pair. Therefore, as a result, I would highly recommend to sell the gold exactly just like that, right here exactly at 2021.63. That's going to be our signal to sell the gold. We have to wait for it to rise to another 60 pips only, and of course it will be retesting the broken level of a previous support as well. However, if that happens, the gold most likely is going to continue the fall till it reaches the bottom of the support at 2003. That being said, let's sell the gold right here, and take profit level will be right there exactly, targeting at least 100 and almost 200 pips of profit, hopefully. However, the safe zone should not be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here at 2030.13, ranging for about 84 pips only. And there goes your signals, my friend, for Friday. Hopefully it will be a good and a happy weekend, and hopefully it will be a happy ending for the week. Of course, don't forget also to check our VIP group of Telegram and also the free Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description below of this video to join instantly the free group on Telegram to receive at least one free signal every day. Also, you can contact our support to join the VIP group on Telegram, and you will get also this awesome and fantastic channel to get all what you need about Forex. So until then, my friends, I wish everyone a happy weekend in advance, and in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.